Hi everyone, this is a video of how to make a copy of a Google slide. So what I have here is a Google slide. Maybe I tapped on a link, maybe a teacher sent it to me in an email, but what that teacher wants me to do is they want me to make a copy of this Google slide. So thankfully it's pretty easy once you know how to do it. You tap on those three dots, then tap on share and export. Then tap on make a copy. It is pretty simple. Usually the new copy will pop up right away. Sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, go back to your slides and it should be the very first thing. So if you tap on it, it will open it up. And now sometimes you want to change the name of it because you have a lot of copies of and it's easier to search. So again, tap on those three dots, tap on where it says copy of, and just replace it with whatever you want it to say. Once you have it typed in, you hit rename, and voila, brand new slideshow. Thanks for watching. See you next time.